Today we're gonna make my mom's special dish called pepper steak,
Favorite steak,
and it's my favorite.
favorite food.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go pick up some ingredients and then we're gonna make it. So see you there. We're here at Seafood City again.
Yes.
We're gonna go get some ingredients. City guys. So right now we're browning the meat. Gotta let it cook.
Sigurado ka. Hindi na nahirapan yung talaga.
Okay guys, so we put the beef, we cooked the beef in here and we added the garlic and we added the beef broth and some water. So we're gonna let it come to a boil for about 1 hour. Yeah.
But before that, we're gonna remove the things.
Before you do the next part, you have to remove all this. There's this sewage brown stuff. So while this is boiling, I'm gonna cut up the vegetables, and when this is ready, I'm gonna add this. So now we're just cutting some vegetables here. The peppers for the pepper steak. So you see, guys, after you boil the meat, there's this kind of dirt that comes out of the meat. So you gotta remove it. It's like a foamy, sandy kind of. There's a lot in this. Alright, so now we removed all the sandy stuff that came on the top. So now we're gonna simmer for 1 hour and then add all the rest of the vegetables. Okay, now guys, it's been simmering for about an hour. So we can add in the vegetables now. Okay, now that it's fully simmered for an hour, guys, we're gonna add this vegetables here.
Onion leaves.
And then we're gonna let this also cook for a while. So when we cooked the meat, it was down at 4, but now that we add the veggies, we're gonna turn it back up to high. Let it boil. Let the veggies cook. Then later we're gonna add some ingredients to make it more thick. Okay, so now we're ready to get this thing more thick, more flavorful. Let's put on some rice and eat. Okay, we're gonna transfer some to this smaller pot so we can thicken.
What we're gonna eat tonight.
We're gonna thicken what we're gonna eat in here, and then we're gonna put save this in the fridge. We can get more beef down. Right, Samantha? Right? You get more beef for later?
Jacob, is this good?
Right?
So I'm gonna eat this too.
Should be good. Well, a little more beef. Or more veggies, or...
Well, you can just speak.
Okay, that's good, I guess. That's good. Add more liquid. So we're gonna add this beef, concentrated beef. Flavor. Just a little bit, not too much, right? That's good, right?
Oh, we're gonna taste it and see.
You guys gotta kind of do taste test to see if it's beefy enough. But add more if you need to. Try it.
No, it's not boiling yet.
Or you gotta let it boil, I guess. Samantha, what are you doing? Be careful. Did you taste it again? Is it good? Needs more soy sauce. Okay, I'll try it again. Taste it. Taste it. No, I'm not tasting it. You taste it. Taste it. That's good.
It's good now. So taking it.
guys. Are you a vlogger?
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Are you vlogging now, Samantha?
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Guys, I just
Spicy.
put the camera on my tripod and she started waving and saying hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. She's a vlogger, guys. She's a vlogger. Oh, no. Hi. You're a vlogger, Samantha.
Hi.
Okay,
Hi.
let's eat, guys.
Hi. Send me that video later. Hi everyone. Welcome to my vlog.
A vlogger at heart, guys. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We're getting our delicious pepper steak here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, everyone. Peace. Say hi. Hi.